Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change mileage rate in Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do is log in to your Expensify dashboard and come here on the left hand panel, click on workspaces and just select the workspace you would like to do this for. And after you have clicked on that, I want you to come here and click on more features and just make sure that under spend, distance rates are actually toggled on. So if this is toggled on, click on distance rates. And now you're able to change this mileage, as you can see. So just click on that rate and then click here again on the rate and you are able to adjust it. So let's go ahead and remove the 7 and replace that with, let's say, an 8, and then just click on save. There we go. Let's go back again. And as you can see, I have changed my mileage rate in Expensify.